Hello, thanks for trying Sakari. In this video, we will walk through the setup of the Sakari integration with ActiveCampaign. Using the Sakari integration with ActiveCampaign, you can automate sending text messages from ActiveCampaign automations and view sent and received messages on the contact card in ActiveCampaign. To get started, please start in your ActiveCampaign account by clicking the settings icon in the lower left corner. You should see a list of account settings. If you don't, navigate to the top left corner and click the Show Navigation button. This will expand the menu so you can see all the setting options. Next, you will click on the Developer setting. Under the Developer setting, you will find the API keys. Copy the API URL and key to a blank page or note. This information will be pasted into Sakari to connect the integration. Now, please log in to your Sakari account. Click Integrations in the left menu, open the Marketplace, and find ActiveCampaign. Now we will paste the ActiveCampaign API URL and key that we saved earlier. Once connected, you will see the ActiveCampaign integrations in Sakari. We recommend enabling all settings, and we'll walk through them now. The inbound and outbound timeline events allow Sakari to record the text message history directly inside ActiveCampaign contact timelines. The message received information properties allow Sakari to create and populate custom contact fields in the ActiveCampaign contact records. These fields allow us to provide more insight into the last message received from a specific contact. You can also use these fields to create SMS triggers and actions when creating ActiveCampaign automations. The last setting allows Sakari to populate the SMS opt-in and opt-out properties. These fields are populated when a contact sends a message with the start or stop keywords. Please note these fields will be blank by default. Now that you've configured your settings, save them by clicking the blue Save button. This will automatically connect your ActiveCampaign and Sakari accounts for the initial sync. Once the sync is completed, you will receive a confirmation email. Please note that if your confirmation email shows you have invalid contacts, those contacts don't have a phone number inputted into their contact information. After the initial sync, anytime a contact is added or edited inside ActiveCampaign, the information will also be updated in Sakari. Now that we have the integration set up, let's jump into ActiveCampaign. Here we are in ActiveCampaign on a contact record. We can see the history of the text messages sent and received in the right pane. Under the contact properties, we can see the details of the last text message received. Finally, we can also see the contact's text message opt-in and opt-out information. Now let's take a look at sending a message from an automation. Sakari can be used both as a trigger as well as an action. Triggers are great to create notifications, update ActiveCampaign properties, and to create advanced automations. The basic setup for using Sakari as a trigger is to select a contact field changes trigger, and then use the corresponding Sakari contact property we viewed earlier to create your trigger. As an example, this structure would trigger every time a text message is received. And this structure would trigger every time a specific word is received. This is great for promotions. Sakari can also be used as an ActiveCampaign action. This will send a text message from an automation. To add a Sakari action from an automation, click the plus sign. Select CX Apps and select the Sakari Send SMS action. We will now configure your text message. The account field will define which Sakari account your message will be sent from. The From field determines what phone number your message will send from if you have multiple phone numbers on your account. The message box is used to compose your text message. A mix of static and token words can be used by clicking the token icon to add ActiveCampaign attributes. Links can be added by typing the link name in the message, and they will automatically be added as a clickable link when received. The opt-out field will automatically add an opt-out clause to the end of your message when you select yes. The media field is optional and is used in the United States and Canada to send image messages. This is done by including the image URL. Click Finish, and your action will be saved. Thanks for watching, and please check out our other videos for more information on using Sakari.